Need a Woodmere New York water damage restoration expert? Call me 24 hours a day. Flood damage is among the most damaging forces that may invade your home, producing thousands of dollars in destruction. If your house or office has suffered this type of damage, you will need professional water restoration as soon as possible. Our goal is to restore your water-damaged or flood-damaged property as fast and efficiently as we can. Woodmere Water Damage Removal Service provided by Tri-County Carpet Cleaning. Call 516-665-4026. Or for Woodmere New York, click the link below.